It's now easier than ever to work better, faster and smarter with the power of Bricsys 24/7 and Leica iCON field. Getting data into Bricsys 24/7 for use in the field is as simple as drag and drop, and the automatic notification makes it easy to make sure that the right people are notified. From there, it's a matter of logging in with your Bricsys 24/7 credentials and authorizing the icon. Use the import function to choose 24/7 and you can navigate to your 24/7 project, select the data you want, and open an application ready for layout. Once all the points are laid out on the project, you can create a report to send back to the office from the home screen. You can create, for example, a stakeout PDF report to confirm how well the points on site were laid out, and preview it to make sure it contains all the information you need. Save the report and export it to your chosen 24/7 project along with any other data that you want to share. Then notify the team that it's available. You can work better, faster and smarter with Bricsys 24/7 and Leica iCON.